Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on your Bybit Web3 wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which tap on the Web3 option at the top. This will then take you into your wallet. Now, if you wish to gain your wallet address, just tap on the copy option alongside your currently chosen wallet. This will now show you various different addresses that you can use for different kind of crypto. Just tap on the copy button alongside in order to copy your wallet address. And now you can send this to any person from whom you wish to receive the respective crypto. If you have multiple wallets, then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, and underneath Manage Wallets, you can choose your desired wallet and then go into your wallet address section. You will now once again find all of your wallet addresses for the respective cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on your Bybit Web3 wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.